I'm Andy Bedford from Total Hydraulic Solutions in New Zealand. Would I choose Unison? Probably for their openness, really, their ability to listen and adapt the machine to what we wanted. We've purchased the single stack 65mm Breeze, is what we've purchased. Yeah, really good. Look, the communication's been great. They've got the right people to build the right machines for us at Total Hydraulic Solutions. They're really well-built machines. When you come here to the factory and see them being built, put together, they really know their own product, and they're really willing to adapt it to our needs. The aftercare from Unison is via a login, via TeamViewer. The machines are fitted with a camera as well, so while the technicians are dialing in through TeamViewer, they can see the machine in action, and the remote assistance looks very good, to be fair. Yes, I'd definitely recommend Unison. So far they've delivered everything that they've promised on.